Good evening, everybody. It's the Emerging Tech Educator, back to talk about which emerging tech could be next. Anyway, tonight we're going to talk about a really interesting virtual browser-based whiteboard called Excalidraw, which again has some great features. First of all your data is stored locally in the browser. You can collaborate live. It's open source, so it's free. It's got the ability to uh, export out the image in PNG and SVG format. Live collaboration, you can save to GitHub, Discord, or Twitter. You can also, the different tools are available, such as, the pencil, text, importing an image, the eraser. It's possible to generate text to diagram and wireframe to code. And so, shapes like circle, diamond, square. So, again, it certainly piqued my interest. I hope it's piqued yours. So we're now going to go into kind of our emerging tech demonstration room to check it out. Okay, so here we are in our emerging tech space, makerspace, where we're going to talk about different products. So in this case, Excalidraw is interesting. As you see, you can essentially interact with the browser by, you can save out to file, export to a link, which is interesting, and or you can export the image to PNG or SVG format. You can also save out to GitHub, Discord, or Twitter. And in terms of tools, they have the hand. This allows you to keep the selected tool active after drawing, but they have the hand, selection, rectangle, diamond, ellipse, and then arrow, line. And the pencil is really nice because it does, kind of feel like a pencil in terms of just the feel. It's nice to do something handwritten. It's kind of a lost art, but it's nice to kind of bring that back. And then there's text. You can import an image. There's an eraser. And there's more tools, text to diagram, wireframe to code. So again, I would strongly recommend Excalidraw because it is just an impressive tool. So again, I would go to excalidraw.com, check it out, let me know what you think in the comments, and I will be back soon with another Emerging Tech Educator video. Take care.